The 2025 Citroën C3 continues to impress with its blend of modern styling, practical features, and efficient performance as a compact hatchback. It caters to urban drivers seeking a comfortable yet spirited ride. Citroën has made thoughtful updates to the C3, ensuring it remains competitive in its class while offering standout features that reflect the brand's dedication to innovation and comfort. Below, we'll explore its key aspects, including the exterior design, performance, interior features, safety, and pricing. Exterior. The exterior of the 2025 Citroën C3 exudes personality and charm, characterized by its sleek, aerodynamic design and bold color options. The signature dual-layer LED headlamps and updated grille give it a more dynamic front fascia with customizable roof colors, alloy wheel designs, and body decals. Citroën ensures that the C3 reflects the driver's unique style. The compact dimensions make it ideal for urban environments, while its rugged accents, like protective cladding, hint at a sporty spirit. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroën C3 offers a range of efficient powertrains, including gasoline, diesel, and an eco-friendly hybrid option. The base engine delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience, while the turbocharged variant provides extra power for those who enjoy spirited driving. Its lightweight chassis and improved suspension system ensure a comfortable ride, even on uneven city roads. With a focus on fuel efficiency, the C3 is perfect for budget-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on performance. Interior. Inside, the Citroën C3 boasts a spacious and well-appointed cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a high-resolution 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are designed with Citroën's signature advanced comfort technology, ensuring long drives are fatigue-free. Ample legroom and clever storage solutions make the interior practical for both passengers and luggage. Optional premium features like a panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting add a touch of luxury to the compact hatchback. The compact hatchback. Price. The 2025 Citroën C3 remains competitively priced, with the base model starting at approximately $20,000. Mid-range trims, offering additional features and styling options, range between $22,000 and $25,000. The top-spec variant, with a hybrid powertrain and advanced technology package, is safety. Safety is a priority in the 2025 C3. Equipped with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Its reinforced structure and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection in case of a collision. Citroën has also included advanced driver assistance. Overall, the 2025 Citroën C3 is a versatile, stylish, and reliable hatchback that caters to a wide range of drivers. Its combination of modern features, fuel efficiency, and a comfortable interior makes it a strong contender in the compact car segment for anyone looking for a car that seamlessly